Should one write a book by combining small chapters and figuring out an appropriate title, or first be clear on the chapters and topics and then start writing? Yeah. So for me, what I do, and I'm going to show you all how you can write your own book. I have a free template for all of you. And so many of my students have written books, and I've bought a lot of them actually, and I've profiled them here on the air. So writing a book is easy, and I'll quickly provide you with a template. So just go to my website, harouneducation.com/writebook. Okay, all one word. And you can download my template here on how to write a book. And if you know how to use Microsoft Word in a browser, then you can write a book. And it's actually free for you to be able to do it. And so you can click here to publish it on Amazon Kindle. Here, this will forward directly to publish it on Amazon's paper-based products. And this is Audible. It's really, really easy. And then you just type your whole document in Microsoft Word. Then you right-click here on the table of contents and select Update. It's simplistic. But I love to actually keep my chapters very, very short. Like I think about when I was younger, I loved reading books by Roald Dahl, like James and the Giant Peach or Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And what I loved about those books was that the chapters were very, very short. So I felt like I was accomplishing stuff quickly. And so the way we consume media has changed over the past couple of decades. We don't have the attention span we used to have. And so for me, I used to be able to read 5,000 word editorials in the New York Times, as well as Vanity Fair. I can't do that anymore. I just don't have the bandwidth. Less is more. And so the bottom line is I believe that short chapters is a smart strategy because you feel like you're accomplishing a lot more and you can gut it as well, meaning copy and paste directly into LinkedIn to promote your book, etc.